Alright guys, this is going to be a huge tool haul video for the month of February and beginning of March, because I'm done buying tools for this month. So lots of different places, a couple of times with gifts, and there's a couple aren't even up, and you're not even looking at them right now, so yeah, we'll go over everything, and this will be a long video, right after this. Alright guys, so the first one we'll do is Mac. I hopped on the truck day before yesterday. I picked up the 7-piece pliers set in green. There's the part number for anyone who is curious. And I also picked up the Mac boot for my DeWalt 1/2-inch high torque impact. So real quick, we'll go over what's in here. They're all 11 inches. I got the cutters, duck bills, small hose grip pliers, 45 needle nose, long hose or medium hose grip pliers, straight needle nose with the side cutters, and the large hose grip pliers. So that's a really handy set. The next thing I got is, well, Gearwrench, 1/4-inch drive, semi-deeps. They did come on this rail. Let's see, what size is that? 4 all the way up to 14, 15. Focus. 15. So, metric, obviously, super handy set. I'll probably do a video on these very soon. Part number on those, for anyone who is curious, is 80304S. And that is a 13-piece metric mid-length socket set. And some of these items you'll have already seen. Next one is O'Reilly's. Yes, O'Reilly's. And I got the 3-piece power torque extra long wrench set, a low profile 1/4 3/8 adapter, and a hex socket set. Sorry, drawing a blank. 12, 14, 17. All 1/2-inch drive. The only thing I still have the packaging for is the XL wrenches. I don't know what my camera just said, but GM4807. So you got 8, a 10, a 12, a 14, and a 13, a 15. 12.0 offset box. Really super nice. Wrenches. I probably ordered the Capri, like the 17, 18, 19, and 21, just to have a complete set. This adapter, Autobahn Dan actually introduced me to. If you don't know who Autobahn Dan is, I think you've been living under a rock, because check him out on Instagram and YouTube. You can see the 1/4-inch actually goes inside the 3/8, so you get a super low pro adapter, and you also get a thumb wheel. That's super handy. They also make a 3/8 to 1/2. These are Titan 12, 14, and 17 hex. Sorry. 12, 14, 17 hex bit sockets. I got those for drain plugs and water drains on blocks. And the 14 you see a lot on plugs and Toyota cylinder heads, and obviously blocks. So there's that. Next, and if you watch my Snap-on video, you've already seen these things. I got the air ratchet boot to put them in the walkie ratchet. The extra deep 10, and this thing is deep, dude. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.5 inches, and a hex to square locking adapter. And some free stuff. The next two are very special. They were both gifted to me. And yeah, it just shows the community. I guess we'll start with the flashlight, and I'll do a full video on it. This is a Olight M2i Pro, and this thing is super bright. I think 1800 lumens. I mean, it's bright. Like, my white balance just shot way up. Like, I can feel the heat. Like, yeah, it's bright. You know, it's got that saying. And it's user programmable. It's got a moonlight setting, which is 1 lumen, which is super handy, actually. Again, I'll do a full video on this. Fast charging. Came with the belt sheath, and this was gifted to me by my very, very good friend, Daniela Sanchez. You see her if you watch Power Stroke Jude's live streams on Thursday nights or Saturday nights after Phil the Heavy Wrench. And you'll probably see her in my live streams. I'm going to have Monday nights. Yeah, and it's also got magnet on the back. Reversible pocket clip, also 2 positions. Super, super nice flashlight. And it comes, she bought the full kit for me, which is very, very nice of her. Comes in the super handy belt sheath. The second gift was from Nick Hildebridle, and it is this 11-inch, I think it's 11-inch, yeah, it looks about 11 inches, 3/8 drive SKLP90. Like I said, I think the washer's all messed up in that one. And it's nothing Nick did. I actually opened it out of the bag today. And, yeah. But 90 tooth. Like, this is a super nice ratchet. It was very, very generous of him to gift it to me, and I'm just out of words. It's, yeah, 3/8 drive, 90 tooth, sealed head, I believe. Lifetime guarantee, beautiful handle. I'm not a big fan of chrome handles, but I actually do like the feel of that one. Shout out to Ed. That's what she said. I'm kidding, Ed, the old tech guy, but you would say that. Like I said, flex head, 11-inch. It's just a beautiful, beautiful ratchet. Man USA, right there. I'll wipe that off. Man USA, ooh, shiny. Hey, there I am. But yeah. Beautiful full polish, not a rough edge on it, man. Actually, I did get a couple more things I didn't even bring out. Hold on. Alright, guys, 2 more items. This is a filter socket set, brand new. My buddy bought in, never used it, I used it, so I bought it off of him for about what it cost. Brand new. I mean, brand new. You can see, he actually had his name, I tried to rub it off, but, 24, 27, 29, 30, 32, 36, and 38 millimeter 6.3/8 drive, as we can see. And the SK has a good detent. And the other thing is the Titan, available at AutoZone or Riley's, maybe both. 1/4" drywall micro ratchet, and this thing is small. I mean, big hands by any means, but you know, each of these squares is an inch. And we can see it's what, 4? No, now you can see it's about 4 inches. Let me move it right to the center. Yeah, it's about 4 inches. Tiny little head. I mean, that's 1/4" drive right there. You know, swivel head, so you can use it like this. It's a really nice one. And this one is the actual steel body one, as you can see. They also do make an aluminum body one and a bit driver version. So, yep. And this is also 92. So, yeah, these will come in handy for all kinds of things. Canister filters on cars. Well, so my boat has a fuel water separator that uses one of these, so that will be super handy. Yeah, I think that's everything. I know I picked up quite a bunch of stuff this month, so I don't even want to know what I actually spent, although I do. But yeah, definitely like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, all those important things. Check out Text Talking Shop on Instagram and YouTube, links down in the description. Power Stroke Jude, I'm on his live stream every Thursday and usually Saturday nights, so you can see my face there. I'll be live streaming Monday nights. I won't be doing 11-hour live streams like he does. I'll be doing about 4. Links down in the description to cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. You know, like usual. Including, like I said, Text Talking Shop. And I think that is it. I know this is going to be a very long video. Sorry, I went as fast as I could. If there's any details on anything you need, comments, I'll answer them. Yeah. Shout out to the people who are nice enough to gift me things. That is amazing. I don't want anyone to ever feel obligated to. Please don't. But it's very appreciated. And, yeah. Now I think that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.